And now we're going to go back to the Grog and Tucker in Australia. Take it away, Rachel and Bryan.
Thanks, Bill. Excuse me for not calling you Billy, but that's what we make our tea in down here. American films have introduced American culture to the rest of the world. We in Australia have attempted to follow that lead in presenting our stories with our people. One of the hurdles we had to face in the early 70s was not being understood by you people in America. You might not be aware of it, but in the first Mad Max, for example, Mel Gibson was revoiced. That, of course, isn't the case today.
It's a pity it isn't, Bryan, because no one can understand a word you're saying. Our second award is for sound effects editing, which presents less problems for us, as these sounds are universal.
The nominees for Best Achievement in Sound Effects Editing are
Black Rain, Milton C. Burrow and William L. Manger.
Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade, Ben Burtt and Richard Hims.
Lethal Weapon 2, Robert Henderson and Alan Robert Murray.
And the Oscar for Best Achievement in Sound Effects Editing goes to Ben Burtt and Richard Hims for Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade.
Well, we have a lot of people to thank. We want to thank the members of the Academy. We want to thank our family at Skywalker Sound North, all the people that have given us such support in putting these films together, and especially George Lucas and Steven Spielberg, who have inspired us and taken us on so many adventures that we could enjoy together. Thank you very much.
I would like to thank Ken Fisher, Terry Acton, Sandina Balo, and David Stone for their seamless sound effects and Foley editing. I would also like to thank those people who have made my career a happy and successful one, especially those in San Francisco, and in particular my partner in the last 3 films for his encouragement and support, Ben Burtt. Thank you, Ben, and thank you all.
The 62nd Annual Academy Awards will be back with Gregory Peck and Candace Bergen.